Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the must-have DIY tools for any home renovation project. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. We're talking about the essentials, the tried and true companions that'll be by your side from framing a new wall to simply tightening a loose doorknob. These aren't just tools, they're extensions of your creativity, allowing you to transform your house into a home. So let's get started and explore these must-haves together. Let's start with a classic, the hammer. You know, the one tool you probably picture when someone says DIY. And for good reason. This tool's been around for centuries and for good reason. A hammer is your go-to for driving nails straight, assembling furniture with a satisfying whack, and even carefully dismantling old pieces you're looking to salvage. When choosing a hammer, consider its weight and the feel of the grip. You want something comfortable and balanced in your hand. And remember, safety first. Always wear safety glasses when using a hammer, and be mindful of your surroundings. Alright, let's move on to our next essential tool. Next up, we've got screwdrivers. Now, I'm not talking about just one, you'll want a good set with various sizes and head types. The most common ones you'll be reaching for are flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. You'll use these for everything from assembling furniture to tightening loose hinges on cabinets. Trust me, having a variety of sizes will save you headaches down the line. And a quick tip, consider investing in a screwdriver with magnetic tips. They'll hold onto those screws for you, preventing any frustrating drops and searches on the floor. Now let's talk about precision, folks. You can't have a successful project without accurate measurements. That's where our trusty tape measure comes in. Whether you're cutting lumber to size, hanging pictures perfectly level, or planning out a whole room renovation, your tape measure is your best friend. When choosing a tape measure, consider its length and durability. A 25-foot tape measure is a good all-around choice, and look for one with a sturdy locking mechanism to keep that blade in place. And here's a little trick I learned years ago. Always measure twice, cut once. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when you're dealing with materials you can't easily replace. Now let's move on to a tool that's small in size but big on versatility, the utility knife. This little guy is a lifesaver for various tasks around the house. Need to open up boxes, score drywall, trim carpet? The utility knife handles it all with ease. Always make sure you've got a fresh, sharp blade in there for the cleanest cuts. And of course, safety first. Always cut away from yourself and keep your fingers clear of the blade. Remember, it's better to work slowly and carefully than rush and risk an injury. And finally, no DIY toolkit is complete without a power drill. This is one tool that can truly transform your projects, saving you time and effort. From drilling pilot holes for screws to driving in fasteners with ease, a power drill is worth every penny. When choosing a power drill, consider its power source, corded or cordless, chuck size, and features. A cordless drill with a variety of speed settings is a versatile option for most DIYers. And here's a tip. Invest in a good set of drill bits. You'll need different bits for drilling into various materials like wood, metal, and concrete. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a good overview of the essential tools for any home renovation project. Remember, having the right tools can make your DIY journey smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to tackle those projects and turn your house into the home of your dreams. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on the tools we discussed and where to find them. And as always, remember to prioritize safety and have fun with your DIY endeavors. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy renovating!